Hello, hello. It is delivery day. I have this huge box I'm going to go through. I can't wait to show you guys what I got. So, let's see. If you don't know me, I'm Katie Eves. I'm your Scentsy independent consultant. And I've got some of the new scents that were previously retired, but they're back for this month only. And I'm going through that with y'all. So here's my packing slip. I'm just going to skip that for now. It's got paper for security. Let's see. Okay, I got one of these, and then, so here's my first item. I got cotton cleanup. I love these. I've been out for like 2 or 3 months, and I've been having to use like cotton balls to clean my wax out, and I'm so happy I have these. They make changing wax so easy and super fast. Okay, let's see. Got more paper. Let's see if I can get y'all to, sorry if you're motion sick. Okay, there. More paper. And then we needed air purifier filters. So I got 2 of those. I've been out in my room, so I haven't had mine on because mine was dirty, and now I have a backup. So good, good, good. And then all the wax is in this smaller box. Let me tip it out of here. Okay. Wow, that's great. It doesn't go as planned, ever. Come on. Shoot. They don't want anybody getting this. Finally, here we go. Okay, more paper. And then here's my other bag of cotton cleanups. Love these so much. Okay, take a look. So many goodies. So let's see, I got some car bars on top. These were in clearance, the pink cotton car bar clips. Let's see if y'all can see them. You can use both in your car at the same time if you want, or they are separated right here. So you can open one end right there and choose to use one if you like a lighter fragrance, or if you want to make it like the scent last longer throughout multiple weeks. I think each one lasts about 20 days. Then I've got cashmere and corduroy car bar. And then I got coconut lemongrass car bar, berry blessed car bar, blue grotto car bar. I know that my mom's gonna steal that one. Blueberry cheesecake car bar. This is one that my dad likes a lot. Amazon Rain for me car bar. And then I used my host rewards and got this travel twist in black raspberry vanilla for only 44 cents. So it's normally $7, but I used my rewards to get it discounted. Sheesh. And then you just twist it open. Black raspberry vanilla is a classic. It smells so freaking good. Let me close it back. Okay. So those are all of the car things I got. We got a lot of wax to go through. Okay, let's see. First up, we have hazelnut latte. I am freaking pumped. I voted for this one so many times. Oh my god, that is so good. Let me turn this freaking light down. It's a little too bright. There we go. Okay, hazelnut latte I'm obsessed with. That's gonna go in club. Cashmere corduroy is not new, but I just love it. I wanted some more of it. So we've got apple cherry strudel. Excuse me, apple cherry strudel. This one's also not new. Oh, it smells so good. It's from the fall and winter catalog. It smells so good. Okay. This is a new one from Bring Back My Bar, green tea smoothie. I don't know if these are gonna focus. Anyways. Okay, that's better than I thought it was, because like it said it had hints of like cranberry and green tea or something. That's nice. I like it. It's like fresh and fruity, but not like the scent notes were concerning, but I think that turned out, it smells better than I thought it would. Let's get over. Okay. Now we got Pima Cotton. Pima Cotton apparently used to be in the laundry care products a long time ago. Oh, that's nice. But okay, I'm getting a funny note. So it kind of smells like hominy. Have you ever eaten hominy? It's like a puffed corn. I'm getting like just the slightest bit of hominy, but besides that, it smells like clean laundry. I like it. Pima Cotton. Laundry scent lovers, you're gonna want that. Now we've got Autumn Stroll. Oh, that's nice. If you like apples and cinnamon sticks, or if you like Autumn Hearth, or First Day of Fall, kind of the similar vibes there. I like it, but it's definitely different. It's got some cinnamon and some like leaf smell, earthy. Coconut Palm is apparently one of the most authentic coconut smells. Oh yeah, that's good. That smells like straight out of a coconut, if that makes sense. Okay, that's good. And I think that the scent note said it has a little bit of musk in it, but I'm into it. It's not perfumey, it's not bakery, it's not food smelling. It's like an authentic coconut smell. Okay, and now we've got Autumn, if I don't drop it, Autumn Blaze Maple. Okay, that's good. It's really good. I think that this would pair well with Autumn Stroll in different warmers, but the same room. I think that would smell good. It's definitely sweet. You get the maple smell and a little bit of the like fall leaves smell. That one's good. So far, none of these have been like bad. Okay, this one is probably the unsung hero of the group, Apple Press. I've heard it's really good. It's similar to Johnny Appleseed apparently. Let's see. Oh yeah. Ooh, okay. That's good. That's a really good apple smell. The scent note said that there's like rose in this, but I'm not getting that. I'm not getting rose. I'm just getting like crisp apple, but not like a juicy apple. Just, it's hard to explain. You're just gonna have to smell it yourself. Okay, let's keep going. Clementine Cupcake. Also not new. It's from the Spring and Summer 2021 catalog. So a couple months ago. Came out and it's just so good. It's like yellow cake smelling deliciousness. Let's see. Mediterranean Spa. I'm excited for this one. Oh, that's exactly what I wanted it to be. Oh yeah, that's like salty waters and like lemon. I'm getting like lemon, but not cleaning lemon. The lemon that's like an essential oil. Oh, okay. I might have to put that in club. I like Mediterranean Spa a lot. A lot. Okay. I'm saving that one. We're not going through that one because I got 6 of these. So. I'll go through that scent in just a minute. If you have been following along, you might know the scent that I got like 6 of. So, okay, first off, we've got Pear Blossom and Cucumber. Oh, that's nice. It's like, what is that? I don't know. That's, if you like aloe water and cucumber, you would like this. Or if you like prickly pear and agave. It's also kind of giving me the smell of a pear jelly bean. But I like it. It smells good. I don't know how they're going to perform. That one's kind of light to my nose. Okay, I think my mom's excited to try this one. Melon Apple Granita. Now, last Bring Back My Bar, we had grape granita. And it was like powerhouse. It never stopped smelling. It was so good. It's like one of those stalker scents that just keeps smelling and smelling and smelling. So I wonder if this one's gonna be like that. That's good. That's super like tart fruit. I like it. I feel like there's a little bit of papaya. I don't know. That one's good. Melon apple granita. Okay, just kidding. I'm gonna go and do these. I'm so excited for these. I voted for this one like 8,000 times, probably. It's called Perk Me Up, and it's a coffee scent. If you know anything about Scentsy, we don't have a lot of coffee smells. We had Coffee Tree back in June of 21, but I didn't understand how much I liked it. I didn't put it in Scentsy Club, and then it kind of like broke my heart because it went away. So I fought for my life to get Perk Me Up back. I'm so excited to smell it. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Let's see the bottom. Wow. If you've ever been in a place that sells like chocolate, oh my god, I'm speechless. Okay, if you've ever smelled like chocolate covered espresso beans, that's what it smells like, but you're not really getting a sweet chocolate smell. It's just straight coffee, and I love it so much. And it's got like a sweet, like a creamy note. It's so good. I'm so excited. I got 6 of them. I know I'm gonna have to get like 18 more because I need more of this in my life. I love coffee smells. But that was my highlight of the order. And we've got Spiced Ember Glow. It's also from the fall catalog. I just like it and I wanted more of it, so I got some of that. Okay, Coconut Pumpkin Pie. Sounds weird. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. It's okay. It's more coconut than pumpkin for sure. I don't know. Like, I want to like it, but it's just weird. I don't know. We'll see how that one goes. You don't like them all. You can't. There's no way. Crumb Top is supposed to be like a very good bakery mixer. That's good. It smells like the stuff you put on like muffins or something. I like it. Sweet. I don't really know all the scent notes in that, but it's kind of buttery, kind of sugary smelling. Okay, Flirtatious. I think it's supposed to be like perfumey in a way. I don't know if that's focusing. It's probably not, but yeah, that smells like teenage girl perfume. I'm just I'm okay. I'm not share that with somebody else. Cucumber Lime. It's a pretty green. Interesting. Interesting. It almost smells like 7-Up. I don't know what I'm getting, but it smells like lemon lime, even though it's got cucumber lime. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that one. Honestly, it's okay. We'll see. It might surprise me. It might surprise me. Okay, Rum Raisin Cookie. My mom was excited for this one. I think this is probably what we're gonna end up warming today, if I had to guess. Oh my god, that is so good. I mean, it's like the best oatmeal raisin cookie. And you don't really get the rum a lot. It's just kind of the background. That one's good. Rum Raisin Cookie, man. I like it. We're almost done. Almost done. Spiced Berries. I like this red. That's pretty. Okay. It's more like a masculine holiday smell. I like it. I like it a lot. Such a pretty color. Let's see. We've got 4 more, I think. Okay, this one I know that my brother's gonna go insane for because he loves peppermint. So Cam, my middle brother, who's 16 and is starting to drive. It's scary. But this Peppermint Rush, I think it's gonna be his new fave. Oh wow, that's good. It's like a sweet candy cane smell. I like it. Super cooling in a way. Okay, Cranberry Muffin. I'm so excited. Look at the freaking packaging. It's so cute. It's Got little muffins and spatulas and whisks. And it's yellow. I like it. Okay, I mean, it's not as strong as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like more powerful. But it might be one that when you warm, it really comes alive. I like it, but the cranberry is kind of hard for me to smell. Right now I'm smelling more of the muffin. But that's all right. I ain't complaining. Okay, we got 2 more. So let's do, I dropped it. Yeah. Okay, sticky cinnamon bun. It smells more like just plain cinnamon. I'm not getting a lot of the sticky bun part. Yeah, to me that smells like just cinnamon. But it could change when it starts to warm. I'll report back. And the last one is Quiver. Apparently it's one of the OG Scentsy scents that's been around for years. I'm really not getting a lot. What is this? It's got kind of musky and like perfumey, but not like flirtatious. This is more like a grown-up smell. Grown-up perfume. I think it'll be interesting, good for like the bedroom, because I don't think that this is going to be like a powerhouse to fill up like our whole open concept, but of course I will report back. And then I have a bonus unboxing if you want to stick around. So it's not Scentsy, it's just coffee. So that was all of the wax. So many. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I had 30 bars. That's a good haul. Okay, over here. Let's see if I can show you. Bones coffee. Have y'all ever had it? Got it for the first time. I'm excited. Let's see. There's a packing slip. And then in here we got a sample up top. No, just kidding. We bought this one. I thought it was a sample. Okay, so we got caramel apple. I'm excited. This is just seems like a good staple scent. Smell me, squeeze and sniff on the back. I can smell it without even squeezing. Caramel apple. Okay, we got a cute sticker. I love this good sticker. And then we've got Holy Cannoli. It's a cannoli scent flavor, cannoli flavor. Okay. Then we got Santa Jack Skellington. This one is cranberry creme brulee. I can't really smell any cranberry in that, but it might change when we brew it. And then we got Rough Weather oatmeal cream pie. And then we got Jingle Bones, coconut caramel and vanilla. Then blueberry and coffee, I think, are like friends that people don't know about. Blueberry coffee is amazing and works all the time. And then we got White Russian. I can't wait to try this. This is gonna be so good. So that's what we got. I got a coffee haul and a wax haul, and so I feel very spoiled. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Which wax, I'm literally tongue-tied. Which wax bar do you think I should warm first? Let me know, comment, and I will do my best to warm through them all and report back my findings so that you can get some like first-hand experience info shared, so you can make a better decision if you want to get one of these limited time bars, because remember, bring back my bars only for January. Okay, bye guys.